Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video we will see how to use Blynk 2.0 app with ESP32. With this app you can operate devices from mobile app easily. It is easy to use platform for building IoT devices. Let us see how to use it. Search Blynk 2.0 in Google and click on first link. Click on Start Free. Click on Sign Up when you do not have account. Otherwise click on Login. Login into your account. In this page first create new template. Enter the name as ESP32 test. Choose here ESP32. Choose connection here as Wi-Fi. You can write description here. Click on One Done to complete template. Click on Data Stream. Click on New Data Stream and choose Virtual Pin. Enter name as LED. Choose pin as V0. Keep min and max as same. Choose the color from here. Set color as red. Click on Create. Add new data stream virtual pin. Enter the name as counter. Set max as 100. Keep pin as V1 and create the pin. Now save the data stream. Click Search. Add new device. Click on Free Template. Choose ESP32 test and then create the device. Click on three dots. Then Edit Dashboard. Add Switch widget. And then Gauge widget. Click on Settings for switch. Choose LED V0. Save setting. Click Setting for Gauge. Choose Data Stream Counter V1. Choose green color and save settings. Click on Save and Apply. Now let us go to Arduino IDE for coding part. Include Blynk library. Click on Install. Include these libraries. Add these settings from Blynk dashboard. Click on Device Info. Click to copy the code. Paste it here. Enter SSID and password for your Wi-Fi. Define LED pin as output which is pin 2. Initialize Blynk. Run Blynk App. Increment counter value and set it 0 when crosses 100. And write it to virtual pin. Receive the parameters from Blynk Cloud. Operate the LED as per the parameter value. Now it is the time to flash the code in the ESP32 board. Select board and port. And upload the code. After flashing the code, start the serial terminal. Now the ESP32 is connected to the Blynk cloud. Now you can see the devices online in the dashboard. Note that the gauge value is increasing. Operate the switch to turn on the LED on the ESP32 board. Now turn off the switch. Note LED on ESP32 board is turned off. Let us go to Play Store to install the Blynk 2.0 app on mobile phone. Search Blynk 2.0 and install this app. I have already installed this app. Open this app. Do login or sign up. You can see the ESP32 test project here which was created by us on Blynk Cloud platform. Click on the project. Click on Settings. Click plus sign. Select Button widget. Click on Button. Select Switch. Choose Data Stream LED V0. Click on Design. Choose Color. Click on Cross Sign. Now click plus sign again. Choose Gauge widget. Click on Gauge widget. Choose Data Stream Counter V1. Click on Design to choose the color. Exit Setting Mode. Now you can see gauge counter is increasing. Now press the switch to turn it on. Now turn the switch off. That's it for today. In this video we have seen how to use Blynk 2.0 app with ESP32. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video then please hit like button. Share this video with your friends. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks again. And have a good time.